Okay, as you guys can see, I passed out little slips of paper that say step 1 on them. So I want you guys to pass them out to everyone on your table. Everybody needs one of them. Pass them out, and I want you to take your glue stick and glue them right there, just like I have. Take your glue stick and glue them right on the page. Voices are off. Thank you. Under class, share with someone next to you. If your glue does not work, share with someone next to you. Thank you, Ethan. And good. Lily, gluing, step 1 on your desk. Okay, so you're on step 1, drawn up there. Right next to review. Actually, under step 1, I want you to draw 3 circles and divide them into thirds. Grace and Abdi, you are sharing with people next to you. Yours does not work.
Miss Davenport,
Yes,
I need Madeline to lab 1.
she is in Mrs. Gunn's class.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks. Do you go to Mrs. Gunn's class in the afternoon or Mrs. Hatch? You go to Hatch? Okay, perfect. Okay, divide them into thirds. 3 circles into thirds. Thank you, Chandra. Manuel's almost there. Ethan's got it, so does Spencer. Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Poe. Samantha's there. Okay. Now, eyes up here. Eyes up here. Wait until everybody's eyes are up here. On the board. Looking up here where it says step 1 and there's 3 circles. Wait until all eyes are up here. Lily? Thank you. Okay, all of these circles are shaded. So you guys can lightly shade them with your pencil. Because we're doing fractions greater than 1. These are the steps that you're going to use when you guys need to find the fraction for a fraction greater than 1. So I need everybody's eyes up here when you are done shading, and I need your thumb in the end. Thumb up when you're done. Facing me, eyes on the board. Thank you, Anna. Grayson's there. Thank you, Spencer, Wesley. Esteban, you are sharing with your neighbor. Please go back to your seat. Nope, go back to your seat. You're sharing with your neighbor. Thank you. Eyes up here. Until everybody's eyes are up here. Lily, Carter, Raven. Eyes are up here. Thank you. Okay, for step 1, I want you guys to write down find and label equal parts. So label them. This would be 1/3, this would be 1/3, this would be 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. write that out. No talking. Thank you. Thank you, class. Eyes up here. Eyes up here. Thank you, class. So I just passed out, heads off desks. Thank you. I just passed out step 2. So what I want you guys to do is take it and glue it right underneath the circle. Take a glue stick and glue it right under there. Okay, I need you there. In 10, that's enough glue, you're good. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You should have step 2 glued on your page. Okay, eyes up here. Well, this is step 2. So after you found all the parts and labeled them, what you need to do is write down your denominator. So write that out. Write down your denominator. Your denominator is the bottom part of your fraction. We've gone over this. So can someone tell me what my denominator would be for with these fractions greater than 1? Help me out, Aiden. What are the equal parts? So what would my denominator be? Each of them are divided into what? Class, each of these are divided into what? Thirds. So your denominator is going to be 3. Each of them are divided into thirds. So I want you to put your fraction in a box over here. So I want you to do thirds. Okay, eyes back here. Eyes back here. Eyes back here, faster. Make proud of your eyes. I'm back here. We're on to step 3. Talk with your tables and what do you think you're going to do for step 3? Ready, set, break. Wait, retry that. Ready, set, break. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Eyes up here, show me listening. Thank you, class. Okay, now you have step 3. Take it and glue it right under step 2. Right underneath it, just like this. You don't, eyes up here. You don't need a ton of glue. All you need is one thing like that. Take it and it'll stay right underneath step 2. should have it glued in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thank you. Did someone, what did you guys guess think that step 3 would be? Shane, what did you guys talk about? We got to find out the numerator, right? So step 3, class, eyes up here. Wait until all eyes are on me. Thank you. Good job, you guys. Step 3 is count and add the shaded parts. Write that out. Count and add the shaded parts. So count with your table and figure out how many shaded parts we have in this fraction greater than 1. Figure it out with your table. Okay, eyes up here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Which should be off. Eyes up here. Thank you, class. So now we've got step 4. I want you guys to take it. You only need a little bit of glue. And glue it underneath step 3. Voices are off. You don't need your voices to glue. Step 4. Step 4, class, is, can anyone guess what they think step 4 might be? What's the last thing that we need to do? What do you think the last thing that we need to do is, class? We've got this fraction. What else do we need to do to it? Jaden? Close. We've counted and added the shaded parts. The last thing we need to do is write in the numerator. So write that out. Write in numerator. You should be writing in, write in numerator. Can someone tell me what the numerator would be? How many shaded parts were in this fraction greater than 1? How many were there, class?
9.
How many, class?
9.
9. See, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I want everybody to write in 9. So your fraction, put it in a big box down here, is 9/3. Thank you, Manuel. Table 2's got it. Moving it out. Wait until all eyes are up here. Showing you listening. The Paul, please bring your book down. Aiden, please bring your book down without the voices should be off. Showing you listening. Thank you. So, when you guys do fraction greater than 1, eyes up here. I want you guys to think about it in steps. So step 1, we define and label the equal parts. They're each divided into what, class? Thirds. What, class? Thirds. Thank you. Step 2, now you need to write down that denominator that you just found out. Step 3, count and add the shaded parts. We had 9 shaded parts. 3, 6, 9. And write that as the numerator. So our fraction would be what, class? 9. It's 9/3. What is it, class?
9/3.
Thank you. Okay, what I need you guys to do is put away your math journal and sit there quietly listening for further instructions. Okay, you can pass them out to your tables. You should all have an orange piece of paper. Okay, eyes on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we are going to learn about today comparing fractions with same denominators. So what we are going to do is we are going to fold this paper into fourths. So I need everybody to lift your papers up and fold it in half. And once you've got this, now move on, show me in the air, which fold it in half like this. Thank you, Esteban. Samantha's there as well. Thank you, Andrew. You took a step too far, but it is in fourths. Okay, class, take it like this and fold it one more time in half. When you open it, it should look like this. Fourths. Show me listening when you've got it. Thank you, Abdi. Thank you, Carter. Ethan. Ella Jay's there. Thank you, Natalie. Shane. Show me listening. Thank you, Aiden. Okay. I'm going to come around and give you a number. The number is the part that you need to shade. When you shade, papers down, eyes up here. Papers on your desk, eyes up here. When you shade, I don't want you to shade it super darkly. I want you to just take your pencil. I'm going to use pen so you can see it. And just shade like this, so that you know that that part is shaded, okay? It doesn't have to be detailed, it doesn't have to cover every corner. I just want you to shade how many parts I tell you to. So if I tell you to shade 1, how many parts are you going to shade? Show me with your finger. Kristen's showing me 2. Thank you. If I tell you to shade 4, how many are you going to shade? Show me with the fingers. 5. 4. Okay. Let's see if we can get a class point while I walk around and tell you your number you have to shade. See if we can be super quiet. Shade in your parts. I want you to show me listening when you have all your parts shaded in. Pencil, please. Or crayon. Just use your pencil. Shading in all your parts. Thank you for doing this quickly. Okay, it needs to be shaded in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Try to listen. Try to listen. Try to listen. Thank you, class. Okay. Now, Jason, done shading. Thank you. And all eyes are up here for further instructions. Now, because we're learning about comparing fractions with common denominators, stop shading. Eyes are up here. You all have a common denominator, which is 4. What is it, class? 4, right? All of your papers are divided into 4. Papers down, eyes up here. Thank you. So, you guys need to order them from smallest, not yet, wait till I say go, smallest to biggest. So, the shaded parts tell you smallest to biggest. If I have 1 shaded, that's pretty small, right? 4, that's pretty big. That means you have all the parts. So, with that said, papers are still down. Thank you. I'm going to give you 1 minute to order your fractions that you have just drawn out from smallest to biggest in the middle of your table. Ready, set, go.
Wesley, Ethan, Shane, Esteban. With your paper.
Okay, order them.
Still taller.
They should be ordered from smallest to biggest down your table. Smallest to biggest. Smallest to
You
got it correct. So, just like everybody's eyes up here, papers down, on your table. Thank you. Just like table 3 did, heads off desks. Heads off desks. Are you sure we're listening? Thank you. So, 1 shaded part, smallest. 2 shaded parts, bigger than that. 3 shaded parts is bigger than all of them. Up to 8 is up here. So, today we're going to learn about how to tell if they are bigger or smaller. So what I need you guys to do is get out your Big Go Math book and turn to page 355. You may throw away these orange papers or keep them in your Seward folder. Decide. Page 355. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Jaden Smith and Andrew. Quickly. Okay. What do you do if you need to sharpen your pencil, class? Thank you. Okay. Fingers and unlock the problem. Fingers and unlock the problem. Okay, following along.
Unlock the problem, real world. Jeremy and Christina are each making quilt blocks. Both blocks are the same size, and both are made of 4 equal-sized squares. 2/4 of Jeremy's squares are green. 1/4 of Christina's squares are green. Whose quilt block has more green squares? Compare fractions of a whole. Shade 2/4 of Jeremy's quilt block. Shade 1/4 of Christina's quilt block. Compare 2/4 and 1/4. The greater fraction will have the larger amount of the whole shaded. 2/4 blank 1/4.
Okay, so Jeremy and Christina are making quilt blocks. We want to know who has more green blocks. Heads up desks, eyes up here. Thank you, class. So, Jeremy, he has 2/4 of his quilt that are green. So, everybody, shade in 2 blocks. Quickly. Shade in 2. Shade in 2 quickly. Pencil. See if there's one over there. See if you can borrow one from me. Okay. Shade 1/4 of Christina's quilt block. So how many parts do we need to shade on this one? Can someone tell me? Show me with your finger, actually. Everybody show me. How many parts do we have to shade for this one?